In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create social media thumbnails in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to eye-catching, ready-to-use visuals that stand out in a feed. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Move your cursor over the image section to reveal the creation tools. This quick hover shows you where the magic happens and leads you into the dedicated workspace for generating images. Next, click Create Image. This opens the canvas where you'll set the style, describe what you want, and control how your thumbnail is framed. Think of this as your control room for both creativity and precision. You'll see options to select a model or character. Models in OpenArt are like creative lenses. Each one interprets your prompt with a specific look and feel. If your brand leans bold and modern, one model may suit you. If you want softer tones or cinematic depth, another might be better. Pick the one that aligns with your brand's identity and the mood you want your audience to feel. Now, choose the photorealistic category. This is perfect when you want lifelike faces, products, or scenes that immediately grab attention. From there, select any option inside that category to lock in the general visual approach. This doesn't limit creativity. It simply guides the system toward a realistic finish. Move to the prompt box and type clear, specific details. Describe the main subject, the emotion, the setting or background, and any style cues such as bright lighting, high contrast, or clean compositions. If you plan to add text later, mention room for headline at the top, or open space on the right, so the image leaves breathable space. Keep the description focused and intentional. Clarity here leads to stronger results. Before generating, change the aspect ratio. For most social platforms, a square format works best because it previews consistently in grids and feeds. Selecting a 1:1 square gives you reliable framing and reduces unexpected cropping. Adjust the number of images to generate. More images provide variety so you can compare poses, lighting, and compositions in one pass. If you're exploring a new look, generating several options can save time. Click Create. OpenArt will begin processing your request. Now, wait for the results to generate. As they appear, check that the subject reads clearly at small sizes, that faces are well lit, and that there's enough negative space for text overlays. If something feels off, refine your prompt or switch models and try again. With these settings and a thoughtful prompt, you'll quickly produce thumbnails that look professional and perform well across social media.